Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So we are going to jump right into today's video. We are doing the 3D chrome rope nails or the chrome swirl nails, but we are going to do polygel. I am doing a peel off base coat today, so I am going to apply some cuticle oil on my nails, and then I'm going to follow that up with some top coat. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're ready to glue on our nail tips. I am going to be using some pre-shaped stiletto nail tips today, just because it is kind of hard to shape nails. At least for me, it's hard for me to shape nails with the peel off base coat because they just come right off. I am going to adhere my nails with some base coat, and I'm going to cure that in a Gel X lamp for about 30 seconds. I will follow that up with a full cure in the lamp for an additional 30 seconds. Now that the tips are glued on, I am going to take my sanding band and I'm going to blend the tip with the nail. This just makes it easier for the polygel to blend better. Before we begin application, I am going to apply base coat on the entire nail, and I am going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So here is the polygel that I'm using today. It is from a cart. It's the nude pink. It's my favorite. And for slip solution, I am using the Model 1's slip solution, but you're more than welcome to use isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. It works just as great. So for application, since we are doing a stiletto shape, we really only need one bead. So I did apply one bead, and I'm going to drag that down and shape that to the best of my ability. If you feel you want to build an apex, you can add another cuticle bead, but I didn't, as I felt that I built the structure of the nails okay. So here are how the nails look after application. I am going to go ahead and wipe off the sticky layer with some alcohol just so we can begin filing. For the gel art portion, we are going to apply top coat on the entire nail, and I am going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. For the chrome rope section of the nails, we do need some solid gel. This is from a cart and it's pretty good, like it molds pretty well. So we are going to use a bit of that. A little really goes a long way unless you really want like a thick rope. So I picked up a decent sized bead and I was just trying to demonstrate that you can mold it in your hands. Please do not use this with bare hands. I was only doing it for demonstration purposes. I did end up using my tweezers to kind of give me that shape that I needed, and I used my tweezers to pick them up and to mold. So please, if you are going to pick up the solid gel, please make sure that you wear gloves. Once I was satisfied with my assortment, I am going to take some metallic gel to paint on the chrome. If you like, you can use chrome powder. If you don't have this, I just wanted to use this just because it's less mess. Here is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I actually had a lot of fun with this nail set. I'm not entirely too sure if this classifies as beginner friendly, only because the solid gel aspect of this nail set kind of made it difficult. I feel like if you want a more mirrored chrome look instead of a metallic look, you can opt for the chrome powder instead of using the gel paint. I think it would have gave it that mirror finish. I have everything that I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.